Welcome again. This lecture is based on straight division by 3-digit numbers. Here we will be learning how to divide any digit number by a 3-digit number. Now here the dividend is a 6-digit number and divisor is a 3-digit number. In straight division method, it's very easy to divide any digit number by a 3-digit number in a single line. Like before, we will write 137 like this, where 13 is a base digit number and 7 is a flag digit number. Now here we will be needing table of 13. Flag digit number is 1-digit number, so we will separate the last digit only. Now if 13 divides 115, we know that 13 times 8 is 104 from here. So if 13 divides 115, we get 8 as the quotient and 11 as the remainder. And we place the remainder before the next dividend number. Now from the next dividend number 114, we have to get the net dividend number by subtracting the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. 7 times 8 is 56, 58. So net dividend number is 58. So this is the net dividend number. So if 13 divides the net dividend number, 13 4s are 52. So 4 times 52 means 4 is the quotient number and 6 is the remainder. So we place the remainder over the next dividend number and quotient over here. So next dividend number is become 69. From 69 we have to get net dividend number by subtracting product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. 7 times 4 gives us 28 and this is equals to 41. So this 41 is the net dividend number. Once we get the net dividend number, we divide this net dividend number by the base digit 13. 13 divides 41 3 times, 39, and the remainder is 2. So we place the remainder over here before the next dividend number. So next dividend number is 21. In order to get the net dividend number, we again subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. So 7 multiplied by 3 gives us 21 and answer is 0. So this is 0. Quotient is 843. So this is how we can divide by 3-digit number. Let's do one more sum. So this is dividend and this is divisor. No, divisor is 123. We write the divisor as, so 12 is the base digit and 3 is the flag digit number. And because the flag digit number is 1-digit number, so we separate just 1 digit from the last, like this. Now if we divide 55 by 12, we get So if we divide 55 by 12, we get quotient as 4 and the remainder 7. So quotient is 4 and the remainder is 7. We place the remainder before the next dividend number. So next dividend number is become 77. From here we have to get the net dividend number by subtracting the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. So 3 multiplied by 4 gives us 12 and this gives us 65. So net dividend number is 65. 12 divides 65 5 times and 5 is the remainder. Now next dividend number is become 51. From there we have to get the net dividend number. For that we have to subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. 3 multiplied by 5 gives us 15 and this is equals to 36. So net dividend number is 36. So if 12 divides 36 3 times, quotient is 3, remainder is 0. Quotient is 3 but the remainder is 0. So next dividend number is 9. From the next dividend number, we have to subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. So 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9 equals to 0. So remainder is 0. So the quotient is 453 and the remainder is 0. Let's try one more problem. Now this is dividend and now this is the place for divisor. Divisor is 115. We will place 11 as the base digit and 5 as the flag digit number. Now because the flag digit number is a 1-digit number, so we will separate just 1-digit number from the last 5. 11 can divide 52 4 times. So quotient is 4 and the remainder is 8. Next dividend number is become 80. We want net dividend number, so we will subtract product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. 5 multiplied by 4 gives us 20. So net dividend number is 60. So 60 is become net dividend number. 11 divides net dividend number 5 times 55 and 5 is the remainder. We will place remainder over here. So next dividend number is become 59. From there we will subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. 5 multiplied by 5 gives us 25. And now this gives us 34. 11 divides 34 3 times. So quotient is 3 and the remainder is 1. So we place the remainder 1 as here. So next dividend number is become 15. From the 15 we subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. 5 multiplied by 3 gives us 15. So answer is 0. So quotient is 453 and remainder is 0. So here is the task to practice more problems and answers are on the next sheet. And that's all in this lecture. Bye.